TAQA has over 20 years of experience working with swellable elastomers in the oil and gas industry. So using that background, we have created SwellPlug. SwellPlug solves a myriad of problems in the industry, and we've designed SwellPlug to be a pumpable solution for a lot of old well integrity problems. So SwellPlug is a very simple application. It's literally water plus our SwellPlug material being able to pump down hole. SwellPlug is a rubber material, a particulate. We pair that with an active fiber. We mix the active fiber in the SwellPlug on surface with water or brine and then pump it down hole to the target zone that we're trying to isolate. Once it's injected into that zone, the fibers act like a lattice network and trap those particles, and then those particles are allowed to swell, and that's what creates the seal. So it conforms to the space that it's in, creating a very high pressure and permanent life seal on that zone. That simplicity and speed at which it swells allows those operations to take a lot less time, so that's less rig time, less trucks on location, less people on location, which ultimately saves significant amount of cost. We also see it really helping the refrac space, so going back into those old legacy wells and really getting every last drop of energy out of them in order to get that initial isolation, as well as help with the clean out applications and well preparation. We also see a lot of applications for water shutoff. Water being produced with oil and gas is common worldwide, and managing that water is extremely costly. So if we can keep the water in place and isolate it there in the wellbore, it'll save a lot of money for a lot of people and bring those energy costs down. We recently did a treatment where there was a liner hanger repair. The liner was leaking for that client and the frac fleet was coming. We were able to get that isolation to take place, get a full MIT test up to 7,400 PSI, and then they were able to execute their refrac application with no other remediation required. SwellPlug is incredibly simple, and I think that's one of the biggest benefits that it brings to the table, is that there's no complex materials needed, no complex equipment needed, and that's what allows it to be so efficient on location. So being able to just apply it in a wide variety of applications, temperatures, fluid environments, and still be effective and get that same seal every time is really what it brings to the table.